Do you want to know how you potentially can earn more than $20 per answer on Just Ask Me, and if it really is worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this platform because it looks like a really easy way to earn just by answering questions, and you can earn quite good money. And let me just reveal right away that you can potentially earn good money, but it is not for everyone. And in this Just Ask Me review, I will share all the details so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what Just Ask Me is. And it is a platform where you can sign up and get paid to answer questions. It's not like a service site or anything like this. This is where you see themselves, they say that they believe questions and answers are the building blocks. So if you just want to connect with either fans or favorite artists, creators, influencers, friend, or anything like that, then you can basically build relationships and get paid for doing that. And that's the basics of what they say they offer. But exactly how does it work and how much can you earn? Let's go over more about this. So how it works is that you need to sign up. It's free to sign up. You create this questions page where people can ask you questions, and this can basically be about anything. And then you need to set up like some payment details, some method, and share links with your audience, or share links with the people that you want you to pay you to answer questions. But people can also find you just here on the platform. We'll go over that in just a few seconds so you can see how that works. And then once you answer questions, and you can actually set the price yourself, how much you will get paid. I'll show you some examples of that. And then you just generate income or create income. So it sounds very easy, and potentially it could work. There just are some important details you need to consider also. But let's go over some earning examples so you can see what some people charge here for answering questions, and then more into how you will get paid also, and some details you need to consider to find out if this is for you or not. So if you go to the influencers tab, that's what they call it, the people that answer questions. So there's not a full list of topics, and this is one thing that is not that great, because that also means that if you join and you don't have a following or anything like that, or anyone to share the link with, it's difficult for people to find you because it's not a very great search method, and they can't find like topics. You could search for topics. So let's say you had a question about money, but you see it's like then it only goes for like the names, and not for actually a topic that people have specific knowledge about. So that's not that great. But then if you see, you for example click this one there, you see this person, you can ask any question, and then you would pay $5. If you wanted a high priority, you need to pay $5 extra. That means that person would earn $10 then. And the other person that showed up there, for example, if you see here, charged $20. It can even become $25 if people want priority and want a fast answer. So this is how much people actually make there. You can see you can even charge $20. You can charge more if you want to, $25. You can charge $30, but of course it all comes down to how much are people willing to pay to actually ask questions. And if you look there, you can see if you just start answering or ask a question or write a letter, then you can get a list of the different ones with that letter. But it's not a great search method, but you can go through and get an idea about how the different profiles look there. So you can see many people charge 5, some people charge 20, some people charge 15, 10, all that depends. But let's then go over how you can get paid, and then we'll sum up and talk more about how big is the earning potential actually here. So if you go to the FAQ section, you can see that you will get paid via Stripe. So that means that Just Ask Me is using Stripe to pay you into your bank account. So you will get direct deposit into your bank account. So personally, I think that is a great payout method, definitely. But we need to talk more about this, the overall earning potential, and what to consider to find out if it's really realistic for you to earn here or not. So I think that Just Ask Me is an interesting concept, and I can see how it for some kind of an earning potential, but it's really not for all. Yes, some people might earn $20 or more per answer or they give, or per question they answer, but it's not as easy as it sounds at first. Yes, it sounds great if you can just sign up, but why would people ask you a question? They can't really find you. So it's only relevant if you have someone to share the link with. And why would your friends or family pay to ask you a question here? That's not realistic. So it's only for people with big followings. And when I looked through this year, I couldn't find any huge influencers. I might be wrong, but even in that case, like, you have to really consider what do you have to offer? Are people willing to pay for this? And if you have something unique to offer, someone to share that link with, yes, you can earn, and you can earn good money per question you answer, but it's not a good option for all, for sure. And you shouldn't expect people to find you here on this platform, because the search function is not very good in my opinion. So it's only relevant if you really have someone to share this link with, or this platform with, so you can earn that way. So to sum it all up, you can earn on Just Ask Me, but it just also really has some limitations. I would say that yes, if you are great at generating traffic and has a big audience, yes, you can earn, but then there are many better ways to also earn. And if you don't have a following or don't have an audience online, then you can't earn here. It's not realistic. But then you can instead learn to build an audience. I would say that then learn to build a real online business, and then you don't actually have to rely on people being willing to pay you $5 for answering a question and things like that. That's it can work, and it might work for some, but it's definitely not for all. And there are better ways to build a real online business, in my opinion. And if you are able to build it up to a level where you have enough or a big enough audience to earn on something, Just Ask Me, then if you do it in a different way, you can earn way more anyways. But still, it can be a great way to connect with your audience if you have an audience, but it definitely is not for all. But I will also leave links below to more info I have about methods to build a real online income, if that's what you're interested in. So you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope this helped you, because quite a few people have asked me about whether this is really an easy way to earn, and now you understand exactly how it works and who it's for, and then you can decide for yourself if this is for you or not. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.